There's a mouse in the house for you south of the border. Eee, come and see! We made it! The first game is called Fridge Fright. Now, the reason it's called Fridge Fright is because there's going to be a fright for our mice in the fridge. Now, our mice look kind of nice, but in a moment, they won't. They look very messy. If you have a look behind you, you'll see the giant fridges. I'd like you to dispatch the rather nice housewives that you can see there, basically like Tom and Jerry's owner there, yeah? Put them in the fridge, there you go, or just above the fridge. Okay. Just in case the mice who decide to steal the cheese open the door of the fridge, get a bit of a surprise. In other words, wah! Like that, from the housewife. That's what's going to happen here. It's the cheese that they're after here, as you can see. You've got to climb through here, in and out, just to make it more exciting and more slippy. And it's the most amount of cheeses you can get on the cheese board at the end of 60 seconds. Don't get bored with your cheese. On your marks, get set, don't be cheesy, go! Look at the final crash! The final crash there, right in the middle of the tunnel. They got in there together and went woof, like this. All right, let's see how many pieces of cheeses we've managed to get. We'll count up the reds first, because they're slipping all over the place. Right,
we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah!
Don't forget to count your feet as well, Mel.
I don't know. What?
Okay, cheesy feet. Okay, how about you,
Okay,
yellows?
we managed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah!
My goodness me, it looks like it's a yellow win. Let's rerun the cheesy fun.
Yeah!
I like that one. 25 to the yellows. That was Fridge Fright. Here's the question. It's for the boys. Good luck. It's Alex versus Ian, and here we go. Complete the saying, too many cooks spoil the...
Broth.
Broth is right. Well done. It's 25. That makes it level. 25 points apiece. Yeah! Well done, Ian. You're a bit of a sportsman, aren't you?